For these three examples, we're going to be writing the inverse of each function. So for this first function, we have log base 3 of x. Remember, you could rewrite f of x as just y. So I'm going to rewrite this as y equals log base 3 of x. And I'm going to turn this into an exponential. So remember, you can turn this into an exponential by saying base 3, the base is the same here, to the y power is equal to x. So if you're ever doing the inverse, you switch the x and the y. So all I'm going to do is switch my x and the y position, so I have 3 to the x equals y. So this would be my inverse function, 3 to the x power. So the inverse is 3 to the x. For the next one, we'll do the same pattern. So this is really y equals log base 4 of x, and if I turn this into an exponential, I would have 4 to the y power is equal to x, and if I switch the x and the y, I would have 4 to the x equals y. So this is my inverse function, 4 to the x power. So hopefully you notice a quick pattern in order to find the inverse. 3 and x, when you rewrite it, it becomes 3 to the x. Base 4 and x becomes 4 to the x. So this should be pretty easy to find the last one. So the inverse would be 8 to the x power.